All right, so here we go. Reinforce him for staying on task in the classroom. Explain to him A, what he is doing wrong, B, what he should be doing. 3. Reinforce him for attending to task based on the length of time he can be successful. Well, we did these. Write a contract, number 4, specifying what behavior is expected and how much time you expect him to be on that behavior. If he cannot concentrate, reinforce him for concentrating. A, give him a tangible reward, classroom privileges, line leading, passing out materials. Give him an intangible reward, praise, handshake, smile. Establish classroom rules. Work quietly, remain in your seat, finish task, meet task expectations. Repeat rules often and reinforce him for following rules. 3. Reinforce him for concentrating on a task for the length of time he can be successful. Okay. 4. Write a contract. Assess the quality and clarity of directions. Make the subject matter meaningful to him. Teach him to use basic concentration and study skills, reading for the main idea, note-taking, highlighting, outlining, summarizing, studying in an appropriate environment. 8. Structure the environment in such a way as to reduce distracting stimuli. Put them in the front row. Follow a less desirable task with a more desirable task. Break down large tasks into smaller tasks. Okay. Assign a peer tutor to work directly with him to serve as a model for appropriate work habits. Allow natural consequences to occur as a result of his inability to concentrate. Give directions in a variety of ways to increase the probability of understanding. Provide clearly stated directions, written or verbal. Teach him note-taking skills. Copy main ideas from the chalkboard. Turn them into questions. Write him with a prompt when he is off task. Move closer to him, speak to him. Interventions for reading problems where the student omits, adds, substitutes, or reverses letters. Alright, modify or adjust reading material to his ability level. Use a sight word vocabulary approach in order to teach him key words and phrases, such as the ones in the instructions: circle, underline, match, etc. Have him point to syllables as he reads them in order to help him recognize omissions, additions. Tape record his reading. Make certain he is learning basic words lists to assist him in reading. Reduce the emphasis on competition. Have him read aloud to the teacher each day in order to provide evaluative feedback relative to omissions, additions, substitutions, reversals. 14. Verbally correct his omissions. 15. Make a list of those words for which he has added something or reversed something. Have him write those letter words or sounds. Give him a tangible reward. Okay, so this is cute. This is cute. What we went through was reduce auditory and visual stimuli to a level at which he can successfully function. Seat him so that he experiences the least amount of auditory and visual stimuli possible. Provide him with a timer, which he may use to increase the amount of time. Give him a predetermined signal, verbal cue, when he begins to display off-task behaviors. Have him work with a peer tutor in order to stay on task. All right, so we did all of this. Thank you, Father, for giving me the things I need, the sun and the rain,